Today I'm going to be showing you how I tweak my quick weave wig. I messed it up, but I fixed it. What I used was the blow dryer, the Got to Be glue, frizz spray. You're going to need some scissors, some Salon 30-second pro glue, a shower cap, a plastic bag to put on your dome cap, and also a wig comb, a rat tail comb, and the bundle of hair. And today I'm going to be using hair from Sunber. So what I did was I just started out marking out my leave out. Next, I placed the dome on my dome cap, and I'm gonna spray that Got to Be glue on that dome cap. And what I found out was that when I sprayed that Got to Be glue and I blow dried it, the wig wasn't going anywhere, sis. It was snagged. So you're gonna see me go around with the blow dryer, and then I'm gonna cut that weft. And then I go again with the blow dryer. So that, sis, we got to secure our wigs, okay? Now I messed this wig up, but I tweaked it though to fit me. And so I'm just showing you a close up of what I did. So gluing that 30-second Salon Pro on that dome cap. And then I'm gonna follow it with the frizz spray, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. And I messed up right there, but you know what? It's gonna be okay, because I haven't made a quick weave wig in a minute. So there was some things that I did mess up on, but sis, I tweaked this to fit me, okay? So you can have a messed up wig and tweak it to fit your head, and you're gonna see that in the ending of this clip. So I'm gonna keep the clip sped up, and then you can just, right now you can just enjoy it. I'm just gonna stop talking until we get to a part where I need to talk. So right here, I ended up curving the hair, the glue down, and I should have just kept it across, which kind of sort of messed up my wig in the way I wanted it to be placed on my hair. So I had to like tweak it, push it back, put Barbie pins on the side of my hair so that it could have a secure fit. Right here, I'm just lining up that track. I'm just lining up the tracks for my side part, and I did a V shape for my part. I should have just did a middle part and then twist the wig to the side to make that side part, because it came out kind of like a V, but one side was long, one side was short. But that's okay, because listen, sis, nobody is perfect, okay? And we're just practicing, so this practicing is going to help us to become better. I haven't did one of these in a while. I'm a little confident in making the wig with the closure, but this one, yeah, I haven't did one of these in a while. So I've definitely learned what needs to be done. This hair, by the way, this Sunber hair, it is very, 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 very soft. I do have a 16, 18, and 20 inch. I used all of the 20 inch, all of the 18 inch, and a couple of tracks of the 16 inch. And the 16 inch is what you're seeing me place on the dome cap right now. Cut them tracks, girl, glue. And I stopped using the blow dryer, because that blow dryer, I stopped using a blow dryer to, when I put the glue in a Got to Be frizz spray on it, because when I blow dried it was really drying up really quick. So this method works better. Glue, frizz spray, blow dry, lay the tracks down and blow dry it. Sis, I think I'm almost done. Like, come on now, sis, my hands getting tired. This is just a close-up of me finishing this wig. Come on, blow dry, sis. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm almost done, so I'm gonna wrap that around. Yeah, see, and you can see right here how one side will be longer than the other, but don't worry, sis. Don't worry, because I'm about to tweak it. So I did have to just lay one track over, I want to say, my right side of my hair. I'm finished right here. So I'm just going to spray my Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Perfector Spray. And then I'm going to flat iron my hair with my flat iron. So you can use whatever flat irons is your preference. Again, this is hair from Sunber. This is, I want to say, their Brazilian body wave. If I'm wrong, I'll leave the hair in the description bar. Now, what I will say is, if I'm going to remake this wig, and I'm going to use all the bundles, because I felt like, for me, this hair was thin, but I was able to tweak it so that it wouldn't look so thin. But the hair is definitely thin, so the 3 bundles definitely would have came in handy if I would have utilized the whole 3 bundles. This hair is soft, you guys. This is probably one of the softest hairs I've tried. I got this from the actual website. I think it's sunberhair.com. But if I'm wrong, I'm gonna leave that in the description box. Right here, I'm just flat ironing the sides of the hair. You'll see how this hair is flat ironing. My flat iron cut off right here, but I mean, y'all look. I'm sorry, y'all. This hair is so soft. Oh my god. Come on, sis. Arms getting tired, but I'm almost done. Y'all see that? Or is it just me? Like, look at her. Look at her. She's so cute. Messed up and all, but practice makes perfect. I'm done right here. So I'm going to take that Garnier Anti-Frizz Serum and place it all over the hair. And then I'm going to just put those pins in the hair. That's how much hair I had left over. And cut that. Excuse me. These are the clips that I use. Don't put it close to the end of the wig because it's gonna snag. Bring it down a little bit like this and then put it on. But I ended up taking these clips out because it was just a hassle. Right here, I'm just trying on the wig. That's when I noticed it didn't work. So I just put a track over, what is that, my left side, part in my hair. And then I'm going to flat iron my hair. I did use the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Perfector to put on my hair as a heat protector. And then, sis, you gotta get your edges, because if you don't get your edges, sis, like, your hair is not gonna look right. Edges matter. Edges matter. If don't nobody else tell you this, edges matter. So I'm just parting my hair and flat ironing. And I did not leave a lot of hair out because I know how my hair acts. Like, heat gonna draw it up, moist gonna draw it up. Yeah. So I'm gonna eventually get a closure for this hair, because wearing my hair out is not gonna work. But I just wanted to try it out because I haven't worn my hair out with weave in a while. So look at her. What? Look, who do I think I am? Look at her. Okay. And sis, we got to flat iron our hair with the weave so that it can blend, sis. We want it to be non-detectable, okay? Spray some of that flat iron. I mean that Garnier Fructis anti-serum in their hair. And I'll curl my hair off camera. And now I'm just doing my baby hair. I use this, I think it's the Style Booster, the blue kind. Chow and slick them edges down. If you don't make the ugly face when you're doing your edges, then sis, are you really getting them right? Ugly face curve. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sis, did you just do that? Sis, come on. I'm all done looking cute and all. Look at those edges, sis.